Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a card share video. I made a card using the Whimsy stamp set, and it's called Bam, You're Old, and I thought this stamp set was really cute. I also used the Whimsy Stamps Slimline Film Strip Die and the Whimsy Stamps Stencil Comic Halftone. I used my favorite ink, which is the VersaFine Onyx Black, which I use on a majority of my projects. And then I also used the Hero Arts Shadow ink called Soft Granite. This is a really pretty color. So let's check out the card. So here's the card. It's a slimline card, and it's black and white with a little bit of the soft granite in the background. I use paper from my stash, which is by Basil. And then I use the glitter paper from Cricut for the black film strip. So this is how the card turned out. What do you think? Let me know below. Thanks for watching, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. I would appreciate it. And give me a thumbs up if you like this card. Thank you guys. Bye.